Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This tablet was given to me. The customer said it is not powering. Let us check, a quick check on it. Let us run a quick check why it is not powering. At first we have to look at the battery. Is the battery charged? Let's plug our charger to see if it is charging. Because it is supposed to show on the screen, though it has the history of it has been taken out. So let's quickly run to check. Now we set our multimeter to volts, voltage mode, and check how many volts is on the battery. Check the battery volts. Okay, we have 3.2 on the battery, which will not power the device. We need at least 3.7. Okay, for us not to waste time, let's quickly use DC power supply. Let's quickly use our DC power supply, so it will give us hints if the device is charging, is on rather, or not. So don't waste time on it. Set your red probe to the positive. Set your DC to 4.2. Okay, you can see the power key is unplugged. Okay, I hope the phone is actually powering on. Zero 0.10, drop back to 0. Okay, let's check for shots first before we now check. As you all know, you set your multimeter to buzzer mode or diode mode, which has the speaker sound. So you place your red probe to the ground. And testing for shots. Start from the battery connector. Okay, no short here, no short here, no short is found here.